10. Warren Buffett investment principles you can't afford to ignore. Have you ever wondered what sets Warren Buffett apart? The man hailed as the greatest investor of all time. What's the secret behind his ability to amass an enormous fortune without relying on complex strategies? While many get caught up in the hype of the markets, Buffett has remained steady, practicing a simple yet profoundly effective investment approach. Today, we're going to dive deep into the 10 core investment principles Warren Buffett lives by. These aren't just rules, they're timeless lessons that continue to guide smart investors through every twist and turn in the financial world. If you're looking to invest intelligently and for the long term, pay close attention to each principle, as they could be the keys to unlocking your success. Principle 1. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett has always said that the best investment you can make is in yourself. Knowledge and skills never lose value, and they're the one asset that can't be taken away from you. Buffett reads hundreds of pages a day, constantly learning and expanding his understanding of the world. He believes the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in every decision you make, whether it's in investing or life. Principle 2. Understand what you're investing. In one of Buffett's golden rules is to only invest in what you understand. When you invest without deep knowledge, you not only expose yourself to greater risk, but you're also more likely to be swayed by market excitement. By truly understanding a company's business model, profitability, and fundamentals, you can avoid mistakes and maintain confidence in your investment, even when markets get volatile. Principle 3. Be patient with long-term investments. Buffett never tries to get rich quick. Instead of chasing fast-moving, high-return investments, he places his trust in the power of long-term growth. A prime example is his investment in Coca-Cola. He bought and held onto that stock for decades because he believes success doesn't come from short-term decisions, but from patience and waiting for a company's true value to be realized. Principle 4. Don't let emotions drive you. The stock market is a place where emotions often dictate decisions. But Buffett keeps a cool head. He reminds us, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. When the market heats up, he sticks to his guns, avoiding the frenzy. Rather than being led by emotion, Buffett always relies on data and logic. Principle 5. Buy great companies at reasonable prices. Buffett isn't hunting for cheap stocks. He's looking for great companies at fair prices. He believes that if a company has a solid business model, capable leadership, and sustainable profitability, its long-term value will far exceed the price you pay today. The lesson? Focus on finding companies with big potential and hold on to them for the long haul instead of chasing short-term stock price surges. Principle 6. Diversify, but not too much. Buffett has always said that too much diversification can dilute your focus. He invests in a select few companies that he truly believes in, which allows him to keep a close eye on his portfolio. Over-diversification can spread you too thin, making it harder to focus on your best investments. Instead, pick carefully and concentrate on investments that really matter. Principle 7. Save and reinvest. One of Buffett's greatest secrets to wealth is saving and reinvesting profits. The power of compound interest doesn't just come from investing. It comes from constantly reinvesting what you've earned. Instead of spending profits, let them work for you, creating bigger returns over time. Principle 8. Know when to let go. Buffett isn't afraid to sell stocks when he feels a company no longer meets his standards. If a company changes its strategy or its potential diminishes, he has no problem letting go, even if he's invested for years. This is a key lesson. Sometimes cutting a losing investment can save you from greater losses down the road. Principle 9. Avoid unnecessary debt. Buffett consistently warns against using debt to invest. He believes that debt can become a burden, weakening your ability to stay flexible in your financial decisions. Never put yourself in a position where you have to sell assets just because you've taken on too much debt. Live within your means and avoid using leverage unless you're completely in control of the risk. Principle 10. Trust the process. Finally, Buffett's success isn't just about specific principles. It's about his unwavering belief in his process. Investing isn't about quick wins. It's a long-term game. The most important thing is to trust your process, stay grounded through short-term market fluctuations, and stick to your long-term goals. In summary, Warren Buffett isn't just a legendary investor. He's a source of inspiration for anyone seeking to invest sustainably and wisely. By applying these principles in your own life and financial decisions, you'll find that they don't just make you a smarter investor, they can change the way you think about success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content packed with valuable financial and investment insights. And please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and join you on your journey towards smarter investing.